So today's a special day, family. Y'all saw the title and the thumbnail of this video. It's the day that I finally announced that I'm starting a clothing brand. Yes, it's official. This has been a dream of mine for so many years. I've been into fashion ever since I was young, to be honest. I remember in school, I used to be going to thrift stores and shit because I didn't have too much money to be spending on clothes. And gradually that led me to start this channel where I talk about sneakers, talk about fashion. So it's pretty emotional for me to say that I'm starting my own clothing brand. I'll discuss the reason behind my clothing brand and everything like that in a little bit. If you guys do end up enjoying this video and want to see anything that has to do with my brand or possibly starting your own brand in the future, please leave a like and comment down below. Brand content, because it's something that I'm actually excited to implement on the channel. If you guys enjoy that type of content, subscribe to the channel as well, because we're about to start going crazy on here, I promise. I guess today makes it official. It's the day that I officially announced that I'm starting a clothing brand. If y'all been watching the channel, you know I've been teasing it and shit. I've been trying to grow my base for the brand, but I never officially said, listen, I'm starting my own clothing brand. It's gonna be called NORI, and I actually made these samples myself. The quality is gonna be better than this, obviously. I just wanted to have something physical so I can actually see like, yo, this is my design. You get what I'm saying? So I'm gonna discuss these 3 designs with you guys. I got so much more shit on the way. I honestly even wanted to drop hoodies, and I have all my blanks and shit, but I couldn't get the designs and everything in order to drop it before it got hot outside, so I put that on hold. I'll drop that when it gets a little colder. For now, we're gonna start with tees. Before we discuss the meaning behind my brand, I want to make sure to let you guys know that this is not merch, bro. I wanted to make this a luxury brand that you guys want to shop, not because you support me, but because you actually think the shit is fire. So with that comes great quality. I have these vintage style tees. I wanted to make sure everything was up to par. I got tags made, bags for everything, which I will do a video a little further down the line talking about everything you need to start your own clothing brand. As I was saying before, I just want to make sure that this is something that stands out. It's not another brand on TikTok that you scroll past type shit. I just honestly want you guys to love it once it releases. Everything from the poly mailers to the bags has to have my name on it, because I want this to be an all-around brand type shit. Like, this definitely has to be something that pushes the needle as far as what I'm able to do and my capabilities. We'll get into the designs in a little bit. I do want to let you guys know that I've been trying to start a clothing brand for so long. It's been a dream of mine for a while, and honestly, when it came down to choosing the name, I already knew what it was gonna be. My channel name has been Astro Nori for a while, and I just feel like Nori is simple, straight to the point. Obviously it's me, but it could also be so much more. I know when you look it up, it says Nori means seaweed, but I honestly got this name from Noriega the rapper, and I kind of switched it a little bit to make it my own in a way. That's kind of where I got my name from, but I just feel like it's something simple like Kith, Bape, those 4-letter names that are just catchy. Obviously Nori isn't up to that level yet because we're just starting off, but it definitely can be, you feel me? Kith, Bape, Nori, boom. Come on, bro. So that was kind of the concept behind the name. The reason I'm creating my brand NORI is to inspire a community of free thinkers, people who want to have a positive impact on the world and leave a legacy of greatness in a way. I feel like we're all capable of reaching the stars if we choose to. And it's kind of crazy because we're taught from really young that you gotta go to school, you gotta do this, that way, and this way. If that's the only way it works out. But in reality, bro, we can all really achieve greatness. Like, it's really possible. You just gotta set your mind to it, and that's something that I want to provide through my clothing. I feel like clothing brands, much like everything else in the world, are inspired by negativity rather than positivity, and it's something that I want to take part in changing myself, because I feel like the world will just be a better place. And what are we here for if we're not going to try to make this better for the people that are coming after us? That's why in my pieces you guys will see little hints of positivity. We need more brands that are spreading a good message, something that makes you feel good, something that makes you feel better. Like, you might be going through some shit and you might look at your tea like, damn, bro, that's facts. I do a lot of content on Supreme, and these past few years I've noticed that they have a lot of shit that's just dark, twisted, negative. We see it in music, movies, TV, on clothing, everywhere, bro. So it's up to us to really change that shit and change the narrative so that the people that come after us have a better experience on earth type shit. It's crazy that I'm going this deep, but that's kind of everything that inspired me to start a clothing brand, because I could go ahead and say how I feel or show how I feel through these pieces, as you guys will see in a little bit. I try to leave little nuggets of positivity in all my pieces, and I'm not saying that it'll be that way forever, but I definitely can say that y'all will not see no negative shit on my clothing brand. I just want to build a community of people that think like me, people that want to make the world a better place, have a positive impact on this shit, and are creative and just want to show what they have to offer without being chastised or criticized for who they are. That's kind of the base of everything that I'm trying to build. It's crazy because a lot of people have big dreams and they're scared to chase them because the outcome might not be what they want. And what I've realized through time is that, bro, you have to try. Like, if you don't try, you'll definitely look back years down the line and realize you never gave it a shot, you never gave it a fair chance because you were thinking too much about what other people were saying or the vibrations that other people were feeding you. At this very moment, I don't even know if this video is a clothing brand video or me just spilling some gems, you get me? But let's talk about these pieces real quick. We got our NORI tag with the sizes on it, stuff like that, socials and all that. The first design is find light in the darkness. I truly believe in this statement right here. Normally when people are in their darkest place is when the best ideas come to them, so I truly live by this, and it's probably one of my favorite designs so far. At least we got the NORI logo under it, blue on this overwashed gray. I think it's sick. Let me know what y'all think of this piece. I did print this myself. Basically got a DTG transfer and I pressed it at my mom's crib. So we're doing the last back graphic. Leave a like for the hot peel in the comments and pop her open. Move this, you already know the vibes. Hot peel. Sheesh. But for the product that you guys are gonna be getting, it's actually gonna be screen printed. I want the best quality possible. I just wanted to make sure that I could show y'all the pieces. But yeah, the first piece was the find light in the darkness. Let me know if this is a cop or a drop for y'all. And if you guys are interested in any of the pieces I'm gonna show y'all, depending on the feedback I get on this video, I'm gonna set a date for the pre-sale. I might do like a little pre-order situation. So make sure y'all stay tuned. All you gotta do is go on onenori.co, sign up with your email for 10% off and early access on the release. But first tee was the find light in the darkness. Y'all might have seen this one already, low-key. Second up, we got the choose peace tee with the dove and the NORI logo over it. On the back of this one, it's a little bit more vulgar, you feel me? But I had to, it is what it is. This one says fuck war, choose peace on it. I think this is a banger. Now on the final product, I'm not gonna leave this in black. It's gonna be almost like a lighter gray color. I feel like it'll mesh way better on the piece. The black is a little bit too harsh in my opinion, so that is one change that I'm gonna make. I just wanted to film this video because I'm prolonging it at this point. I've had these samples for like 2 to 3 weeks, maybe 4, bruh. I've been procrastinating, I'm not gonna lie to y'all. So I decided, you know what, bro, I'm gonna film it with this and just let y'all know. Before we actually go live on the website, I'm gonna show y'all what the official product is gonna look like. But we got the fuck war, choose peace on the back. Then you got the dove on the front. I might make the black on the back this same grayish color. I think it'll look way smoother because this is a little bit harsher, and I just want it to be, you feel me, a little more monotone. But this is the second piece. The last tee in my first drop is gonna be the targeted minds tee. I honestly love how this turned out. On the front, we got this digitized head with a target and the NORI in the middle. Then on the back, you got the thoughts inspire your reality with the NORI under it. I feel like this is a banger, and it's something I live by, bro. Like, thoughts definitely inspire the outcome that you have in life. And it's kind of crazy, bro, that I'm actually doing this. I've been trying to make this brand happen for ever so long. Like, if you've been with me and you watch this video like you're a family member, somebody close to me, you know I've been talking about this shit for forever, bro. Crazy that I'm finally making it happen. This is almost like a minty color. The camera doesn't know justice. This is like an overwashed gray color, and then this is like a minty green. Hopefully the camera picks it up. What I did want to say is that if you guys want to see any of these designs on any of the other colors, just let me know, because I can adjust that and put it on the website so that it's a possibility for you to get it like that. This one comes on the minty green. If y'all want to see it on a different color, just let me know. This one comes on like this grayish color. Then the find light in the darkness comes in like this overwashed black color. Let me know what you guys think of the pieces that I showed you guys so far. Just stick around, stay tuned, because this is just the beginning. I have so much more shit on the way. A lot of crazy ideas that I haven't been able to implement yet because it takes a lot of time, bro. Like, I'm trying to make sure that this is up to par. I've been testing shoulder bag samples left and right. I want to make make sure that if I drop something, it's up to my standards, and trust me, I have high standards for this brand. So I just can't confirm any of this because I haven't found the blank that I love as of yet. I almost did it, bro. Like, these shoulder bags almost dropped with the first release. Can't do it. Like, I need this shit to be A1 so that y'all want to keep buying more from me, if that makes sense. But yeah, man, if y'all are as excited as I am to finally see what type of quality I'm putting out, please leave a like on this video so we can spread this to more people. Comment down below what your favorite tee is. Also, let me know if you want to see any of these tees in any of the other colors, if that makes sense. If you guys are interested in supporting my brand once I do release, all you have to do is go on NORI.co, sign up with your email, because I'm gonna give y'all 10% off and early access on the release. I'm debating whether I'm gonna do a 2-week pre-order or I'm gonna do pre-made. I don't know how much quantity to make. I don't know how many people are actually gonna want to buy anything, so it's kind of tough. That's why I'm debating on just doing a pre-order for the first drop and then going from there type shit. But I really do hope that you guys have a great rest of your day, morning, night, whenever you're watching. Make sure you hit up your loved ones because we don't know how much time we got left on this planet. And never forget to chase your dreams, bro. Anything that you want to accomplish is possible as long as you put the footwork in to make that shit happen. Just make sure you stay persistent and never let up, bro. Like, at the end of the day, if you want to make some shit happen, make that shit happen. There's nobody stopping you besides yourself. And it's something that I kind of learned along the way. I used to kind of have this thought process where I felt like nothing's happening for me and all this other bullshit. But once you flip that switch and realize that you're the one that makes things happen for yourself, your whole life will change. It's kind of crazy, bro. But I appreciate y'all. I love you if you're still watching this video. Honestly, if you were here right now, I'd give you a fucking hug. I'm not gonna lie to you, bro. I appreciate each and every one of y'all who come through, show love, leave a like, subscribe. You don't even know how much that shit means to me, and I just want to make sure I'm vocal about it. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one, bro. Stay tuned because we got more sneaker content on the way, clothing content on the way, brand content on the way. We going crazy, bro, I promise. And with all that being said, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.